Understanding the phrase, "That's a stretch," in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in English, "That's a stretch." This phrase is commonly used but can be a bit confusing for English language learners. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to make it crystal clear. Stay tuned. "That's a stretch" is a phrase used to express skepticism or doubt about a statement or claim. It implies that the information or idea presented is exaggerated, overstated, or not entirely believable. The word stretch in this context means to extend something beyond its usual limits, suggesting that the truth is being stretched or distorted. This phrase likely originates from the literal act of stretching something beyond its normal capacity. In everyday conversation, "that's a stretch" is used informally. It's a way to respond to someone's statement that you think is unlikely, exaggerated, or far-fetched. It's often used in a light-hearted or playful manner, but it can also convey genuine disbelief. 1. Casual conversation. 2. Friend 1. "I think my cat understands everything I say." 3. Friend 2. That's a stretch. Cats are smart, but they don't speak our language." 4. In a meeting. 5. Colleague 1. "If we implement this plan, our sales will double in a month." 6. Colleague 2. "That's a stretch. It's a good plan, but doubling sales is quite an optimistic goal." 7. In movies or TV shows. 8. A character may claim something extraordinary, and another character responds with, "That's a stretch," to express disbelief or amusement. Tone of voice. It's important to consider your tone when using this phrase. Depending on your intonation and context, it can come across as playful or critical. Context. Use this phrase in informal settings. It's not typically used in formal or serious discussions. Alternatives. You can use phrases like, "That seems unlikely," or "I find that hard to believe," for a more formal or gentle approach. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of "that's a stretch." It's a handy phrase to express doubt or skepticism in a conversational way. Remember, language learning is all about understanding these little nuances. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to stretch your language skills. See you in our next video.